Thank you for your purchase on Xtreme 2-in-1 tricycle. This tricycle comes with attractive looks, strong body base, water sipper, wide wheelbase at back for a perfect riding balance. This tricycle is easy to assemble by following some simple steps. You will also need a piler and a screwdriver to assemble. To begin with, take the main body and place seat to main body with the help of butterfly nuts. Then insert front wheel complete to main body. Now insert battery to the handle and close the battery cover with the help of provided screws. In the next step, place handle to fork and fix the handle with the help of provided nut and bolt. Now place handle clamp cap and lock it. It's time to place foot rest to main body, use nut screw to fix it. Now is the time to place handrest to main body, lock it with the help of push buttons. In the next step, insert flute pipe to main body and fix it with the provided screw and lock button. Now fix movement rod to flute pipe with the help of provided nuts on both back side and on the handle. It's time to place parental handle to flute pipe and fix it by lock button. Now fix parental handle to pipe with the help of nut and machine screw. In the last step, place rear wheels to the main body with the help of axle pins on both the side. It is easy to lock it by just pushing it to the main body and lock it. Your beautiful Xtreme 2-in-1 tricycle is now ready to ride.